Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to open an HTML file in Chrome. Let's begin. Opening an HTML file in Google Chrome provides several benefits, especially for web development, testing, and viewing web content. In my case, I'm going to use Visual Studio Code to create an HTML file and then open it in Chrome. All right. Now, once you are here, well, if you're using Visual Studio Code as well, go to File and click on New File. The shortcut is pressing Control plus Alt plus Windows plus N key. All right. And from here, that's going to be the new file. All right. Of course, you can rename that later. Now, what I wanted you to do is go to File and click on Save As. And I'm going to save it here, all right? So I'm going to rename it as How to Open an HTML File. And then there's going to be an option to save as type. Do not use the plain text. Instead, use the HTML, all right? After that, click on Save. Now it's saving, all right? Just wait for it to load. Now after that, after it's being saved, the next thing that we need to do is, now here, if you press the exclamation mark, all right, and press the tab key, we're going to get an HTML, all right? And then, now here, we can type in maybe H1 for heading, and you can put in maybe like, how to open an HTML file in Chrome by maybe Andy Guide. After that, go to File and save it. All right. And then we're going to open the HTML file into Google Chrome or Chrome. Now, the next option is all I'm going to do is go to the save file or the directory. I want you to right click on it and click on Open Google Chrome. You would be forwarded here, and you see, you have already opened the HTML file in Chrome by Andy Guide, right? It's a straightforward process that could quickly create and display simple web pages or prototypes without needing a full-featured content management system or web server, because that ensures the HTML file hasn't been corrupted or altered by opening it in Chrome and verifying the content displays as expected. You can confirm the meta tags such as titles and descriptions here are correctly implemented and rendered by the browser. Thank you for tuning in into Andy's Guides. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do not forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with all the latest content. See you in the next guide.